Hello friends, it's Joseph Sesay here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do spot trading on the Bybit exchange. If you don't have a Bybit account, kindly check the description section and use my referral link to create Bybit account. I also have a playlist that is titled Bybit tutorials. You can watch videos on how you can create and verify your account in less than 5 minutes. All right, so what is spot trading? Spot trading is basically buying crypto at a very low price and you sell them at a higher price to make little gains. All right. So now the first thing you need to do is you need to come at the top here. All right. Come at the top. If you're when you deposit money into your Bybit account, it's going to be in your funding account. If you want to do like your spot trading, definitely your money should be in your unified account. Okay, should be in the unified account. So we are going to transfer fund from the funding account to your unified account. If you are using a mobile phone, it's going to pop here. Just go to asset. After asset, then you are going to transfer. Just follow the process. So you come to the top here and you move to asset. You tab in asset and you can see funding. Okay, if you don't know how to deposit cash, all right, into your Bybit account, I have a video for that. Kindly check the description section. So you come to the funding account, tap funding account. It's going to open and it's going to take us to our funding account. So whenever you deposit money into the Bybit exchange, it's going to be in your funding account. So as you can see here in my funding account, I have $89. So if I want to transfer fund, all I need to do is I'll come to transfer. So if you are using your phone, it's going to pop up on the screen. You just follow the process, tab in transfer, okay? And you can see basically here from unified to funding. So you just have this arrow in the middle. So it's going to be from funding to unified. You want to send fund into your unified account. So now you select your coin. The coin you're going to select must be USDT and you enter the amount. I have $89. So I'm going to enter the 89 and I just tab in confirm. Okay, this is the first process which you need. As you can see here, transfer completed. So now you have done the first step. As you can see, I have only 0.46, all right, and dollar in my 46 cents in my funding account now. The next thing is you come to the top here and you see spot trading. If you are using your phone, just come to trade again. It's going to up where the arrow is pointing. You come to spot trading, you tap spot trading. It's going to take us to the spot trading platform. This is where we can buy and sell our cryptocurrencies and make $50 a day and more. So let's just wait for this page to basically load and I'm going to explain all you are basically seeing this setup. You are going to be able to understand everything. All right, so now guys, this is our spot trading page. Don't forget, you just come to tab trade and you see spot trading and you tab in here. So now when you basically arrive here, the first thing you are going to notice, you come to the top, you need to select the pair. All right, which crypto do you want to trade? You have BTC USDT. All right, so if you just tab in here, you can see lot of pairs, right? We have BTC, we have Ethereum, Solana, we have USDC, MNT. There are a lot of cryptos. So you can select whatever crypto you want to basically select to trade. Okay. Now you say BTC USDT. What does this mean? BTC here is called the base currency. All right, it is the base currency. This is the first, the base. Okay, and USDT is called the quote. Okay, the base currency is the currency which we are going to buy, and the quote currency is the currency which we are going to use to get the base. Okay, crypto. All right, the base crypto. I'm a forex trader, so that's why I'm mentioning about currencies as well, guys. So this is BTC. So we need USDT to get our BTC. All right. So you can basically come here and select whatever coin you want. You can also use this chat icon to chat for whatever coin you want. Okay. So now let's say we want to what buy BTC. All right, now we already have transfer fund into our what account. So this is BTC USDT. Now this price you are seeing at the top here is the current price of what Bitcoin. Okay, is for 3,081.99 cents. This is the current price you are seeing here. This one you are seeing, this 24-hour, this is 24-hour change. All right, the performance of Bitcoin over the 24 hours. So this is when you see 24-hour high is the highest price which Bitcoin have moved to. All right, the highest what price? So the price have moved to for 3,384.78 cents. Okay, over the past 24 hours. This is the opposite. This is the 24-hour low. All right, the lowest price which it has moved to, and this is the trading volume over the 24-hour. Now, as you can see, this is basically you can see what this chart. So you have like different time frames here, okay? Different time frame. We have what the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, and all. So if I go to the 1 minute, what this basically means, each candle here you are seeing here represents 1 minute to form. All right, each candle here. So the green candle basically means the price is going up, the buyers are in control, and the red candle basically means the sellers are in control, the price is going down. So if I change and move toward the 5 minutes, each candle here represents 5 minutes for it to be formed. Okay, so you can basically tap here and go to custom time frame, and you can change whatever time you want. All right, so now let's come back. So now this one you might be asking, what is this price that are pumping up and down here? This is what this section is called the order book. Okay, this is the order book. This price you are seeing here in the red is the people that are the traders that are currently what selling. Okay, they are placing a sell order, they are selling Bitcoin. So this is the price which they are selling at, and this is the quantity, the amount of Bitcoin which they are selling. When it comes to the bottom, you are seeing green. This is the opposite. These are the people that are currently buying Bitcoin at the price which they are buying, and this is the amount of Bitcoin which they are currently what buying. Okay, the price at which they are currently buying. This price at the middle here is the same at the one in the top that I showed you. This is the current price of Bitcoin. So if you want to buy Bitcoin currently, you are buying at this particular price. So now let's come to trade. So just tab in here. All right, if you are using your phone, you just need to tab into chat. But now you are seeing this is what trade. Okay, so when you come to trade, this is basically where you are going to buy your Bitcoin. Okay, you just now you come to what the USD balance. I have 139. All right, USDT. I transferred money. I used to have what fund in my account. So now I have like excess form which I can use to what buy. So now you are saying buy and sell. So I'm going to show you how you can basically buy crypto here. All right. And these are what order type. These are order type. How do you want to? We have what the limit order, we have market order, and we have the TP and SL. The TP is what take profit, and SL is what stop loss. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can basically use all these orders. But before I do, you can also come to what recent trades. These are the trades that are currently being taken, the people that are buying and the people that are selling. All right, the trades just like what the order book here. Now you come to limit order. Okay, limit order basically is what you want to buy at a particular price. Now, Bitcoin is currently 43 what thousand, okay, for $3,000. You don't want to buy Bitcoin at this particular price. So you want to buy at a very, let's say you want to buy in the future, okay, at a lower rate. All you need to do is when you come in here, your order price, just enter the price which you want to buy with, okay? Just enter, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin when the price drops down to 42,000. Okay, so now Bitcoin is currently for 3,000. So you and you this is your order price. So when Bitcoin drops down to for 2,000, you are going to buy. How much Bitcoin do you want to buy? So basically, you can just see you have this call you can use. It may be in your total account, you just want to buy 2%, you want to buy 22%, 10%. You can basically use this to scroll, all right, and use your account. Let's say you don't want to use this particular one, you just want to buy a very low amount of what Bitcoin. So let's say you want to buy just $10. You can basically enter $10. Okay, just the order value here. You just enter what $10. Okay, when you enter $10, you basically just go down. So whenever the price of Bitcoin reaches to for 2,000, they are going to buy for us. You can buy as low as $1. Okay, so let's say I want to buy here $10. I'm going to buy what 0.03309 BTC Bitcoin. So all I need to do now is what press buy. Okay, order submitted successfully. So now for you to see this order, you just scroll at the bottom. So now you are saying limit what and market order. So this is what limit order. Okay. So now this is what the spot pair. This is the pair BTC USDT, and the type trade is what spot. This is limit, and the direction is I want to buy. If you want to sell, they are going to give you what sell. Okay. This is 9.996, the amount that I want to buy because you are paying fees. Order price is what 42,000. Okay, so if Bitcoin drops to for 2,000, I want to what buy, and this is what the order type and all that. So which means I currently don't have Bitcoin until Bitcoin drops to what my order price to for 2,000. Then I can basically what buy. Okay, when I buy at for 2,000, then when Bitcoin increase again, I'm going to what sell. Okay, so now I'm going to come here and cancel this. I'll just cancel this. Now you see, I've canceled this, which means I have no order again. All right, so let's move back here. Let me show you another type of order. So we have this one that is called market order. Market order basically means you want to buy at the current price of the market. You want to buy at the current price of the market. So if Bitcoin is currently at for $3,083, I want to buy at that particular current price. So you just come here, you take what market, okay? Then they are going to ask you to enter the amount you want to buy. So now you can basically score by percentage. Maybe you just want, I have what, as you can see, my account balance here is $139. Maybe I just want to use 24%. So 24% of my account is $32. Or you can just like scroll, maybe you scroll up to 100%. So now I'll just leave this. All you need to do is basically enter the exact amount if you have specific amount. Let's say I want to buy just $10. So this is the amount I'm going to receive. 10.003 225 BTC. So all you need to do is that what? Just press what? Buy BTC. So now if I scroll down, you are saying I don't have what? Bitcoin here, okay? Because this is not an order. If I want to see I will just come to what? Assets, okay? So now I'll come to assets. You can basically what? Look under assets. So come to assets. You are not going to see under what? Orders, all right? Because this one you are saying you want to buy at the current price. So when you type in assets, then you are basically going to see currently I have what 9.9817 what USDT of Bitcoin, okay, 0.002176 Bitcoin. All right, so I have purchased Bitcoin now. So I have purchased Bitcoin at this current price at 43,000. I'm going to wait when the price of Bitcoin increase to let's say 44,000. I'm going to sell and I'm going to what make profit. Okay, I'm going to what make profit. All right, so this is basically what we mean by what the market order, all right, and what the limit order. Limit order is a command which you give to your broker, all right, that if price reaches to this particular amount, I want to buy certain amount of this particular asset. All right, so now you might be asking, now I'll just like go again here. We come to what? This particular order type. This is what? TP. All right. So we have TP and stop loss. So all you need to do is like tab in here, select what? TP. So now basically this is also another order which you give to what your broker. TP basically means what? Take profit to come to sell. Now, when you come to basically sell, okay, when you basically come to sell, now I've purchased what? My Bitcoin. Okay, let me start again with limit order. I've purchased what? My crypto. Okay, I've purchased what? Bitcoin. All right, now I have what? Bitcoin. Now all I need to do is I purchased at what? For 3,000, and you want to set what? Your order price. All you need to do is just come here, set the amount. Okay, I want to sell what? My Bitcoin when Bitcoin moved to what? 44,000. All right. So I bought what? Low, and I'm going to sell high. So I'm going to select what? 100%. You can basically put the amount, or you come to order value, how much you want to sell. So I want to sell all of my Bitcoin. So I'll just come here. All right. So this is basically what? Limit order. Okay. Limit order. So I'll just come and I'll select again what? 100%. So whenever Bitcoin reaches to 44,000, all right, my Bitcoin is, I want to sell my Bitcoin. Okay, so I'll just come here and press what? Sell BTC. Hope you guys are following up. I'll come here and press what? Sell BTC. So as soon as I press this, then just look here. So now we come back what? To current order. So now, before previously this was what? Buy, right? Now this is sell. So I want to sell my Bitcoin, okay, when it reaches to what? 44,000. Okay, I want to sell my Bitcoin when it reaches to what? 44,000. So as soon as what? Bitcoin reaches to 44,000, the what? Order is going to be triggered immediately. So which means I bought at 43,000 and I'm going to sell at 44,000. I'm going to what? Make profit. So this is how you what? Make money doing spot trading. So now let me just cancel this. Okay, let me just cancel this. So I've canceled success. Yeah, I've canceled this order. So this is basically how you do what? Limit order when it comes to what? This particular sell. Now you come to market, okay? You come to market, all right? You go to sell, you come to market. You are basically saying you want to sell your Bitcoin at the current price market. So all I need to do is how the quantity you want to like sell. You can select this, or you can come here and you select what? Order by value. Maybe you just want to sell, all right? You just want to sell a particular you want a particular amount. So I'll just like what? You have 9.98. Okay, so if you want to sell, you can basically what? Sell all. Okay, I have 9.6 and I'm going to sell everything. So I'll just come in here and I'll press what? Sell BTC. Okay, sell BTC. See, my order have what? Successfully been placed. So which means I have no more BTC. If I scroll down, let me scroll down and I'll come back to what? Assets. Okay, so now you come back to assets. You have no more BTC. Now this is the little one that you sell, because you are not going to like what I said. I want to sell 100%. So this is the little bit. I have 0.334. So I used to have what? $9.9, right? So I've sold what? My BTC. You can see now my USDT have what? Increased again. Okay, it's now 138. It has increased again, which means I no longer have no more Bitcoin. Okay, I have no more Bitcoin and now what? I have USDT. So this is basically how you sell to what? Make profit. Okay, you sell to make profit. Now let's come to this TP and SL. So now this is an order which you basically give to your broker. Let's say currently you have what? You have purchased what? Bitcoin. Okay, you have purchased Bitcoin. You want your what? Broker, the exchange, all right? If you want to sell at what? The trigger price is what? If Bitcoin you purchase at for 3,000 and you want to sell at 44,000. Okay, you just select what? The quantity. Okay, you select the quantity. So I'll select what? 100%. I have little bit of what? Coins. Okay, and I'll just come down, and whenever Bitcoin reaches to what? 44,000. Currently the price is what? 43,000. Okay, so whenever Bitcoin reaches to what? 44,000, my order is going to be triggered. I'm going to sell what? My Bitcoin immediately. So now I'm just going to press what? Sell. Okay, so you can say minimum must be must be 0.0048. So I have like less than 0.048. So this one is not going to be triggered until Bitcoin reaches what? 40,000. Okay, so this is basically what we mean by TP. All right, TP. All right, this is what you want to take your profit at a particular time. So you just set this order, even if you are sleeping. Whenever Bitcoin reaches to that particular price, then your Bitcoin is going to sell, or your assets, or whatever crypto, all right, you purchase is going to be automatically be sold for you. Now, what is the opposite? This is SL. How do you do SL? You don't still leave it like this. Now, let's say you purchase Bitcoin, okay? Let's say you purchase Bitcoin at for 3,000. You are now telling your broker, whenever, okay, whenever the price of Bitcoin moves down to what? 40,000. Let's say you purchase at what? 43,000, okay? Whenever Bitcoin moves to what? 40,000, you want them to sell and you are willing to accept your loss. So one thing I forgot to mention is make sure whenever you place this TP and SL order, always change this to what? Market. Okay? Always change this to market. Okay, so change this to market, you select the amount, okay, of this. So now you are saying you are willing to accept the loss. You purchase Bitcoin at what? 43,000, but if the price keep dropping and it reaches up to what? $40,000, then you want to sell your Bitcoin and take what? The little cash instead of losing your entire Bitcoin. So you can just come in here and what? Press what? Sell. Though our minimum cannot be like you need to have 0.0004 BTC before you can sell. Okay, so you can sell. So what you are going to notice is this order is going to be in what? Current order. This one is going to be in current order. Okay, it's going to be in current order. So guys, this is basically how you buy and you sell your crypto, all right, on using the spot and make like what? Lot of profits. You can basically what? Make lot and lot of profit. You can select like different coins, okay? There are different coins that are available here. I can also like shout, let's say I want to search for Cardano. You can basically say this is what? Ada, all right, it's called Cardano. You can search for different coins. So this is what? Ethereum. You want to search for what? Solana. You can basically go ahead and chat for different crypto. You just tab in and you open, then it's going to open to another tab. So now you see, now we have what? Another one. So and Solana here is basically the base and USDT is the quote. Okay, it's the quote. So which means we are buying what? Solana, and we are using USDT to buy what? Solana. What this basically means, you are seeing now 98.20. This is the current price of what? The market. Okay, the current price of Solana. So these are the people that are selling Solana. These are the people that are buying, the ones with the green here. So if I basically want to buy, you want to buy at this current price, you can just basically enter the amount you want to buy. You just come to market order, you just enter. You want to enter like 10. Okay, come here and you enter, press buy. Okay, you come to buy, you want to buy now, you press $10. So $10 is basically going to give you this particular what amount. Okay, it's just going to give you this particular amount and you just press buy and you just go ahead. All right, if you want to buy Solana at current price is now $98, you want to buy Solana when Solana is what? $90. You just press and you enter the amount, or you want to buy $50. Let's say I want to buy $50 of Solana, which is 0.555. So when Solana reaches towards $90 and is definitely going to what? Trigger. Okay, I'm going to purchase Solana, which means I'm going to buy low and I'm going to sell high. So guys, this is how you do what? Spot trading on the Bybit exchange. I'll be happy if you subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video to others. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Ensure you please subscribe for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you so much. See you on upcoming videos.